Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put in keyboard shortcuts and other things like that in your HTML webpage. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe since we are very close to 100 subscribers. And yeah, that's it. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so let's say I'm making a tech blog or something, and it's for people who don't know how to use computers. So first I'm just going to create an H1 over here, and I'll title it Common Keyboard Shortcuts. So I'll just put in one of the most common keyboard shortcuts, and that is Control S, and use that to save. And I use that in VS Code a lot to see. I hit Control Save right now, and this just became saved. Control S, and that got saved. So I want to teach this to other people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a P tag, and I'm gonna say to save any documents that you are working on, use, and now over here I do less than sign KBD, and I close this. So here you see we have a keyboard tag right over here. Here's the beginning, here's the closing, and over here we are gonna put in our keyboard shortcuts, so the keys that they have to press. So what we have to do is CTRL plus S. So that's going to be Control plus S, Control S, Control Save. So yeah, that's all you have to do. And this keyboard tag, it's going to make it formatted differently. So it's very, very clear that Control S is what you have to do. So let's run this. So what you have to do is File, Save, or you can do Control S, as you see. Control S, and now let's open up our File Explorer. And I just opened this, I double click this, and it's going to open up a new Chrome tab. So you see, here is our web page. We have common keyboard shortcuts, and our paragraph tag is here. To save any documents that you are working on, use Control plus S. In Control plus S, these two, you see, it's worded differently. Like, it's not worded differently, but it's in a different font size. That makes it extremely obvious that, that is the keyboard shortcut that you have to use. And in my previous video, I showed code segments, and although the font is the same in both of them, the thing is you don't want to mix up keyboard and code. You don't want to mix that up, since if you're styling something, it's just a lot easier to have each one be its own individual thing. So yeah, that's it on this video on how to show keyboard shortcuts. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.